Welcome back, traders. Today is December 22, 2024, and as the holiday season approaches, the Forex market is showing some interesting movements. We'll break down the key highlights from today's trading session and dive into actionable insights for the next workday. So, grab your charts and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the economic events that influenced today's market. The biggest headline came from the US, where updated GDP growth figures exceeded expectations, reinforcing a strong dollar sentiment. Meanwhile, the Bank of Japan's announcement to maintain its ultra-loose monetary policy put additional pressure on the yen. Over in Europe, discussions around inflationary pressures continued, keeping the euro volatile. Speaking of the euro, let's analyze the euro to US dollar pair. Today, it struggled to maintain the 1.0800 level after hitting resistance at 1.0850. Sellers dominated as traders factored in a potential slowdown in Eurozone growth. Looking ahead, key support lies at 1.0750. If that breaks, we could see a test of the 1.0700 zone next workday. Next up is US dollar to Japanese yen. The pair surged past 150.50 after the Bank of Japan's dovish stance. Buyers stepped in strongly, signaling confidence in the dollar's momentum. Keep an eye on resistance at 151.00. A breakout there could pave the way for a move toward 152.00. However, watch out for any surprises from Japanese policymakers that might trigger sudden yen strength. Moving on to the British pound. Pound sterling to US dollar saw modest gains earlier in the session, buoyed by better-than-expected retail sales data. But as the dollar strengthened, the pair reversed course, closing near 1.2300. For the next workday, resistance at 1.2350 is crucial. On the downside, 1.2250 remains a key support level. Brexit-related news could also play a role, so stay updated. Let's not forget the commodity currencies. Australian dollar to US dollar slid below 0.6400, reflecting weaker risk appetite and a drop in commodity prices. On the other hand, US dollar to Canadian dollar hovered around 1.3600, supported by declining oil prices. Both pairs could see heightened volatility next workday as traders react to US housing data and Canadian GDP figures. Now that we've covered the major pairs, let's discuss trading strategies for the next workday. With the holiday season affecting liquidity, expect thinner trading volumes, which can amplify price swings. Here are 3 tips to navigate these conditions. Focus on high-impact events. Prioritize pairs influenced by scheduled data releases, such as USD pairs around US housing data. Tighten your risk management. Use smaller position sizes and tighter stop-loss levels to mitigate unexpected volatility. Avoid overtrading. It's better to take one high-probability trade than multiple low-quality setups in thin markets. Here's a quick recap of key levels to watch for the next workday. Euro to US dollar. Support at 1.0750, resistance at 1.0850. US dollar to Japanese yen, support at 150.00, resistance at 151.00. Pound sterling to US dollar, support at 1.2250, resistance at 1.2350. Australian dollar to US dollar, support at 0.6350, resistance at 0.6450. US dollar to Canadian dollar, support at 1.3550, resistance at 1.3650. That wraps up our analysis for December 22, 2024. As always, stay disciplined, stick to your plan, and don't let holiday excitement cloud your judgment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Good luck trading, and I'll see you next time.